Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Monday. So today, instead of a Mask Monday, I thought I would go ahead and do a Shop My Stash. It's honestly been many weeks since the last time that I changed this makeup out. This is my everyday makeup drawer right here, and the Shop My Stash series is something that I've done on my channel for quite a number of years. I will basically take products out of this Alex 9 drawer. So this is where I have all of my makeup. If you've never seen my makeup collection video, I will go ahead and try to remember to link that down below. I think I did that at the beginning of last year. It's obviously changed a little bit, but for the most part, you'll kind of see how I have things organized in here. But I will take makeup from here, move it over to here so that it's easily accessible. When I get ready in the morning, I definitely tend to want to do it very quickly and efficiently, and this sort of helps me narrow down a group of products that maybe I haven't used in a really long time, or maybe I need to test the product out and see if I even still want to keep it in my collection. Also gives me a chance to see if products are still good, so if they're expired or have gone bad. Usually I'll find out when I put them in here and start using them. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk through with you and let you know most of the things that I decided to put in here. I'm actually gonna close the drawer and we are going to start with the various palettes and whatnot. I do have two primers up here, by the way. So the Ren Perfect Canvas and, sorry, I'm gonna reach, the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I have those out. I've decided to keep them up here because it's just a little bit easier, and since that's the first step. I also have two lip conditioners here from Emile Cordon. These right here. They're really nice. So they're not really, they look like they're tinted, but they're just clear. They're completely transparent. Anyway, these are really nice lip conditioners. These are wonderful. Love those a lot. But what you guys might care the most about are probably the palettes that I decided to pull. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what I have here. First is the Buxom Dolly's Wild Side. This one here is one of my favorites, and I haven't had it out in a few months, so I thought I'd grab it. Second one is another Buxom palette, and this one is the Suede palette. Suede Seduction, yeah, there we go. Really great neutrals in there. Oh, you guys saw me. It is actually Sunday night right now, and I look like trash. Craig and I were looking at houses all day. Not all day, just a good chunk of the afternoon. Found our dream house, but it's not in the location that my husband wants it to be, so we're still looking. Anyway, Too Faced Natural Matte. I love this palette as well. Sorry. A lot of you guys want me to open these palettes when I do this, so I'm going to try to accommodate, but it means this video is going to be a little bit longer. I love this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then the original Tartelette palette, which I love as well. So that is right there. This has some beautiful neutrals. Sorry, maybe I should get my arm out of the way. There, how's that? Again, sorry about the lighting. It's, what time is it? 8 p.m., 7:30, something like that. And then here's the Bare Minerals Be Beautiful palette. This is gorgeous. Ooh, can't wait to use this. And this also has some face products in it as well, so love that. This is a Stila palette, and the name of it is Perfect Me Perfect Hue in Fair Light. This is actually fairly new to me, and I did have this in during the last Shop My Stash, however. There we go. I want to use it a little bit more. So I also have this Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and this is actually a contour palette here. I use this every single day for my contour, and I've been loving it. If you are on the fence about this, the quality is incredible. It's really a great contour palette. And then the original Lorac Mega Pro, because, well, I love these Mega Pro palettes, and I haven't had the original out in a while, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab that. All right, let's dive in here. By the way, that's the exercise ball that I sit on. So if you wonder why I bounce around, it's because I sit on an exercise ball. Okay, I'm gonna start over here with foundation products. My Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense. This is my moisturizer, SPF, and primer. I will never be without this. Laura Geller Balance and Brighten and Fair. I'm testing this out for you guys. This is the Wander Beauty, what do they call this? Wanderlust Powder Foundation. Today was my first day wearing this, so I'm gonna wear this for a couple more days, but I will give you guys a review of it this week. Wander Beauty was nice enough to send me just a couple of PR items, and this was one of them, and I was so excited to get this because I've been curious about it for a long time. Initial impressions, big thumbs up, love it. Okay, my eye primer, Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm surprised I'm still getting shadow insurance out of here. Like these, oh my gosh. So a little bit more expensive, but I'm telling you, I swear one of these lasts me like a year. They just last forever, and this is the only eye primer that I've tried that doesn't make my eyes wander. If you can tell that I'm wheezing a little bit, I still have the remnants of the flu. I still like have a cough and stuff, so sorry. I just realized that I was like breathing kind of oddly, so hopefully you don't, it's not distracting. Okay, Laura Geller. This is the Filter Fix Baked Correcting Setting Powder in Universal Apricot. I love this. I had to pull it out again. It's been a while. And then I still have the Becca, they call this the Soft Light Blurring Powder in Pink Haze. So one's apricot, one is pink haze. But I love this setting powder as well. Both lovely and they work like a charm. I have a lot of blushes in here, so I'm going to run through them quickly. Milani Luminoso, Becca blush in Flower Child. So this is the mineral blush. This is obviously a little guy here. I have the Tarte birthday blush from this last year from Sephora. Milani Romantic Rose, right? Yep, Romantic Rose powder blush. I really like this one a lot. Elise Wattier blush in Natural Glow. My friend Stephanie from Flourish XO sent me this, what was it, a couple years ago for my birthday, I think. This, okay, raise your hand if you remember these blushes from L'Oreal. So this is Charmed Peach. These were called the Feel Natural Light Softening Blushes. Oh man, these were some of the best blushes ever. High-end drugstore ever. I don't know why they discontinued these. They're incredibly pigmented. They are soft. They are buildable. They are pigmented, but not too they were just perfect. And L'Oreal discontinued them quite a number of years ago. And I think it was like 4 years ago, I was able to find a bunch on, I think it was Amazon or something. So I ordered all of them. My favorite is Marvelous, but I figured this peach might be kind of fun for, I don't know, like a peachy cheek. I also have 4 of the holiday release blushes from Tarte. These were from a collection that I got from the Derm store. Really pretty kind of light springy blushes. Lorac Aura, I left this in here because it's just so pretty. This is a Wander Beauty On The Go blush, On The Glow blush duo. So there's a blush on one end, so right here, which is gorgeous. I don't typically do stick blushes, but I'm gonna try this one, and then there is a highlighter over on this end. So I'm gonna try this out, let you guys know how it wears on my oily skin. So those are the blushes. Over here, I just have some eyeshadow products. This is actually not eyeshadow. This is a highlighting quad from Sleek that I actually like to use on my eyes because they're just so pretty on the eyes. I still have my Vizart Chroma palette in here, and then some liquid shadows from Stila, Wander Beauty. I have a couple of Korres eyeshadows in here that are really pretty. I don't even know if they still make these, but I did really like them at one point. So there's kind of a nice taupey shade, and then just a really nice purple. Sorry, I totally have the tripod between my legs. It's shaking a little bit, so I'm gonna hang on to it here again. Okay. I've got a lot of lip products, you guys. I'm not gonna go through all these, but I have lip glosses from Boxycharm. I have lip glosses from Marc Jacobs. I have a lip gloss from Tarte, and now I'm dropping everything. I really should. It's hard with this tripod that I have because it's actually not a really great, it's super cheap. It was like 10 bucks from Best Buy. But it's not super sturdy when I put the legs down and make it taller. Anyway, moral of the story is, sorry for this low tech operation that I run here, but I pulled all of my Marc Jacobs glosses out because I've been loving the Skin Deep one, which I still have in here. There's some lipsticks from Too Faced. The La Creme lipsticks, I have Nude Beach, and then Taffy is the one that fell to my feet here. The IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi. This is a color adjusting lip gloss, and this makes a really pretty pink on my lips. There is a Essence lipstick in here in Glastonbury, which is this was one of their limited edition collection ones. And then there's also a couple of Wander Beauty ones down here. Wander Beauty lip products. And a Lorac. Oh goodness, there's lots of things. There's also a matte lipstick from Stila that I purchased recently that is really nice. I can't, let's pull it out here. You'll have to tell me if you guys have ever used these. This actually came in a set, and this video is just going all sorts of wrong at this point, but let's just keep going with it. Here it is. Okay. What are these called? The Stila Magnificent Lipstick, and the color I have is Mon Ami. This is, ooh, look at that mauve. These, oh boy, do these stay put on your lips like all day. So I'm sure you'll see that in a favorite. I really do enjoy wearing that, so there's that. And then, so these are brow and liner and mascara products in here. This actually belongs over here. That's my Brulee from Wet n Wild. Still using this. A lot of you guys ask what I have in my brows. So it's the microblading and then a little bit of this powder from Tarte, the volumizing powder, and I use it in the shade gray because, well, I have gray hair. And if you're new to my channel, it is natural. My hair color is natural. I think I might upload a video this week that just explains why I decided to let my hair grow gray, because I think that confuses a lot of people. So yeah, I'll do a video about it, and that way I can reference people back to it whenever they like ask why on earth I would have gray hair. The Unlashed Mascara from Wander Beauty, I actually purchased this when, I think the set is actually still available. There's an iconic eye ensemble at Sephora from Wander Beauty, and this was in there. I love this mascara. It'll give you more of a natural mascara look, but ooh, is it good. So I've got a brow pencil in here from NYX. Actually, this one's Fiona Styles. Yeah, the Fiona Styles taupe blonde, sorry, not taupe, it's blonde ash. I don't think Fiona Styles is sold anymore at Ulta. Do you guys know? I feel like they clearanced it out, so bummer, because that's actually a nice pencil. Sometimes I would just outline the bottom of my brows to give like more definition, but every day is more of just this in my brows, just and a little bit. Like I don't need much. I just like a bolder brow look. Anyway, these two Wander liners, one is a nude and one is a black, also came in that eye ensemble set that I purchased at Sephora. I showed it in my Sephora VIB haul. Maybe I'll link that set down below. It's a great deal. This is a cake liner from NYX, which is really nice. And then there's just other random odd liners in there. So that's it. That's everything that I have in my current Shop My Stash. And I'm excited to use some different products and, you know, just kind of have some new things to talk with you guys about during Friday Favorites. I do intend on making a purchase here soon for an eyeshadow palette. I am limiting myself on my eyeshadow palettes that I'm allowed to buy this year. I am allowing myself no more than 4, which is, I should probably allow myself no more than 2, but I'm gonna go with 4, and if if there's something, if things don't come out, then fine, then I won't buy any, but I just can't buy more than 4. There we go. That's a better way to say it. But I do want to purchase the White Peach palette from Too Faced. So I did want to leave some room by not putting a bunch of singles in here so that I can stick it up here where I keep all of the eyeshadow palettes. So I know that that is coming into my collection, but I'm not really intending on purchasing anything else. Famous last words. I'm on a bit of a low buy right now, which is much needed. I don't think I'm going to be doing any major declutters of my collection this year. I might toss a few things here and there because they're expired, but I'm not going to do a series like I did last year. So, but anyway, excited to use these products. Thank you guys for sitting through this video. I know that this was not the best camera work, but hopefully it gave you an idea of what I am going to be reaching for coming up here for the next few weeks. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope your week is off to a great start, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.